Hi, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome back. It's your girl Everything Key, aka Kiana. I'm coming to you with my favorite unboxing. This is for the May 2020 CurlBox and also your girl's birthday month. Ooh, ooh. Woo, woo, give it up for the Geminis. Woo, woo. It ain't our time yet, but we coming towards this. We coming. But yes, for you who don't know what CurlBox is, this is a monthly, a bomb A, a fire A, over the top always popping A curly hair subscription. It is $20 with $5 shipping. They take the $25 out on the 15th of each month like clockwork, baby. Clockwork. It comes with an entire line of the same brand of products. Sometimes you get 7, sometimes you get 10. You never know with CurlBox. It's so unpredictable, but they stay popping. So yes, I will have a link down below if you're interested. And why would you not be, girl? Like, why would you not be, sis? But yes, let's just get into this box and see what it's about. They taped it up. It is heavy. It's like a heavy product right here poking up and out. So let's just see what we got going on. Okay. So when you first open it, it looks like this. And we have some on the outside. So this is the first thing that we have in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off and see what it do. Okay, so this is a scarf. It's so soft. Oh, it's so pretty. It says Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils on it with these pretty fire colors. So this is how it's looking. Super nice. You can do you some stuff. Ooh, you can do some stuff with this. You know, some different styles. If you want to, you can do some updos. You can do a bow. It's all kind of stuff that you can do with this scarf. You know, all different stuff that you can do with this scarf. So yes, this scarf in there, super cute. Just some different styles, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's just get into the actual box. So it has this black tissue paper on here, right here. And then when you open it up, these are the products. Y'all know y'all girl is always serving goodness and bombness and just melanin all up and through on these front covers. I love the earrings. The lips are straight. Popping makeup is fire. Hair is bomb. Just point on point. Period. And then inside of here, it just has the Hey Curl Friends. It has some of the product information in here. They gave me like 2 books full of the stuff that's going to be in here, and then just this. So this is going to be on Jackie's. They have an entire booklet of just products for your product junkies. Here you go, right here. Just products on top of products on top of products, and they're all on Jackie's the collections. So let's just get into it. The first thing I'm pulling out is some Cocoa Wash Cocoa Milk Conditioning Cleanser from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. And this is 12 fluid ounces. It says thoroughly cleanses, mega conditions, and softens dry, brittle hair. It looks like this. The next thing we have here is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This is ultra hydrating, deep moisture therapy for parched tresses for natural coils, curls, and waves, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. It looks like this. This is 12 fluid ounces as well. Everything is sealed because I was trying to smell, so that's good. It's sealed. It's not gonna waste out. The next thing I have is this Grapeseed Style and Shine Recipes Slit. This is flexible styling glue, a superb hold, moisturizing, molding, and sculpturing formula for hair and edges, enriched with marshmallow root and honey. Okay, marshmallow root and honey. This is 4 fluid ounces here. The next thing we have in here is a Buttercream Intense Moisture Sealant. This is on Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream Recipe for natural curls, coilies, and waves. And it just said Hydrate Intense. There's also no parabens, petroleum jelly, mineral oil, and sulfate free. So, and it smells really, really good. This is how it's looking. It got like a little hole in there, but you know, not nothing major. Just mix that on together. Okay, so this is 7.5 fluid ounces. The last thing we have in the May box is this flaxseed recipe, Fix My Hair Baby. This is on Jackie's Curls and Coils Intense Repair Conditioning Mask. It is enriched with flaxseed, mango butter, shea butter, avocado, and coconut oil for dry, damaged hair and protective styles. This is 15 fluid ounces, so it's pretty big. It doesn't smell bad at all. It doesn't smell fruity or anything, but it doesn't smell bad. It looks like it is going to be really good. Smells good. Okay, so these are all the products that we got in the box. And then this one. And then we got these two. So overall, and we have the scarf as well. So overall, this is a pretty good box. Aunt Jackie's is a good brand. The last thing we got in there, like I think it was grapeseed. We got the grapeseed oil and shine, like the entire line, and it was pretty good. Like it had my curls and stuff popping. My little twist out was popping. So we're gonna go ahead and give these a try. I'm gonna do a review. But that's everything for the May 2020 curl box. You know, I'm not as excited as I am usually, but I'm not disappointed or anything. It's just a good box. It's a good box. But you know, I'm gonna try the products out. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44. Until next time, all my keybies and key dogs out there. Peace.